Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is life insurance and how does it works. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is life insurance. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just click in this website what is life insurance. When you click this website, the page will be opened what is life insurance and how does it works. Life insurance is designed to resources that you have to need to dependent, such as you have to children or a partner, will be financially look after you have to event for your death. There is a several things that you think about when you have to buying. It is such a type of policies you want. When you need it, how to buy it. First of all, how does life insurance work? Life insurance pays out of either and lump sum of regular payments or death, giving your dependent financial support after you have to go on. The amount of your money paid out depend for your level and cover you buy. You decided how to pay it and out of you whatever you will be covered for specific payments such as mortgage or rent. If you have to eat, sleep and family with a inheritance, what are the types of life insurance are there? Terms life insurance policies. These are the run of fixed period of time, known as the terms life insurance, and the terms of your policy save as the 5 and 10, 25 years. They only pay for out and die during the policy. There are three kinds of term life insurance: level pays and lump sums. If you have to die within an agreed term, the level of you covered have to stay the same throughout. This is the most simple, affordable option, decreasing the level of covers and reduce years after year. It is the design to used for the repayment mortgage, where you have to understanding loan decreases over time, increasing the level of covers, rising of their terms and policies to keep up for your inflation. Whole life insurance policy. These are the pay out of your matter, and when you have to die, as long you have to keep with your premiums payment. They are often used for hello toward and help for the inheritable tax planning. However, you have to typically more expenses than you have to shorter term policies. There are also have to possibilities that you have to live longer, and they have to expect it. You could not be end up for your paying and more than you will be have to go out. Whose life you have to covering. You can be chooses the joint policies of a single one. If you have to take out for joint life insurance, the money will be have to go to surviving policyholder such as your spouse. This is unless to meet your alternative agreements. If you are take out single life insurance, the money goes for your estate. So you need to have to decide it who is goes for when you have to die. A joint policy is usually more affordable than you have to separate single policies. However, joint life covers only pays for one out and then first death. Whereas buying and single policies would be have to make sure there are policies and pays for your each death. Did you need to life insurance? It is suitable if you have to have dependents such as school age children, a partner who relies your income, or a family living a house with a mortgage. You have to pay. A life insurance policies can provide of them if you have to die. You might also want to policy and covers your personal expenses. You don't need if it you are single, your partner earns enough, yeah, that you have to family to live on, you are no low income and could be qualifying for state benefits. Check if you already have and tough your work employee package often and include the death with services benefit that will be provide the amount of your cover and linked your salary. Depending on how much it work, you might be have to need an extra life insurance policies, but remember that if you have to stop working for their employers, you will be no longer to covered under their policy. You might also need to think about your whatever receiving payout will be have to affected means tested benefit your dependents might be have to otherwise qualifying for. How much life insurance work? The cost of your various depending a number of factors, but is the life insurance is generally considered to be a good values. A policy given for your loved ones, you have to decent amount of financial protection can be cost of your first due just a few pence a day. Your monthly payment will be depend on your things such as your age, your health, your lifestyle, whenever you smoke, your family medical history, your length of policy, and your occupation. A high risk of your might push behave to the premiums up. The prices is also effective the level of your cover to buy. The amount of cover need to dependent on any debit, mortgage and rent, numbers of dependent, take money on your home income and other sources.